Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
The girls category, the first
ka Pynthor-Umkhrah Presbyterian High Secondary School ha ka arpu pratrik risau ar hajar puar kala Pynkut no eka annual sports meet ka ba ars ngi ya ka balong kum shibinta ka jingra khie ka jingdap shispa ar sansnem lane ka kwaskwi centennial celebration jong ka ni ka school ha ka ni ka annual sports meet ka balapin long hamadan ul kalyar la sakhilang do ba sambor lang dingdo ubalong ukertong jong ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress na Pynthor-Umkhrah constituency haringkar ka jinga donlang jong secretary ka school managing committee utemen basan si melim umngap ka principal ka Congress sila penrop kinohikai bat ki khina school ha ka ni ka sngi la samru eki khusnam sha kinong job ki ba job ha ki jingel akai ba pher
This is purely that caption that we must know how to balance between work and play, because there's a saying that goes all work and no play makes Potam a dull boy. So we have to know how to balance our academics and sports as well. I'm very honored to see the Pynthor-Umkhrah Presbyterian Secondary School organizing the sports meets here, because all this while we've been seeing only footballs and cricket tournaments. So for a change, we're having the other disciplines. So we hope all of you have enjoyed your 100-meter race. All of you have enjoyed your 4x4 100-meter relay. All of you must have enjoyed your javelin throws. All of you must have enjoyed your high jump, long jump, or whatever, and all the disciplines that your teachers has planned for you for these 2 days. So as a sports lover myself, it's what we urge other schools also to have as much of curricular activities as possible, because we never know, we may unearth hidden talents amongst the students like yourself. So apart from football, cricket, basketball, we need to see the athletes as well. And just recently we've been seeing in the news about a lady who has just won her gold medal for the country in the discipline of arm wrestling. So likewise, we would like to promote sports and make our young ones free from the online gaming that has been going on nowadays. Because most of our kids nowadays, is a fact that most of them have become addicted to online gaming, specifically PUBG, Call of Duty, Free Fire, and most of our kids, they've experienced less rather of outdoor sports. So if kids like you come and perform your outdoor sports, you spend 2-3 hours on the field. After that you get tired, you go home, you wash your face, you wash your feet, you have your dinner, then you can have a very sound sleep. So this attributes to all the physical strength, to all the mental strength, and your preparation for the years to come. So I would with these few words, I would also like to give a warm appreciation to all the teachers who have given their days out, who have given their time out in order for you children to enjoy your sports. And just recently we've just announced from Sam Khamti that we will be organizing an under-15 football tournament immediately after your results, after your exams are over and after you get your results. Our main aim for organizing this tournament is that we want our kids firstly to give a full concentration on the studies first, because one of its criteria is that kids, they have to come and submit the birth certificate and the report card as well, which means only those students who can clear the exams will be able to participate in that football tournament. And this is meant purely for the kids of class 8 and class 9. So basically it's for those students who will get promoted from class 8 to class 9 and class 9 to class 10. I think that's the age, 15 years. Nowadays, a 15-year-old children will be in class 10, and obviously a 16-year-old will be appearing his matriculation. So we take this opportunity to announce to you once again. Prior to this, we have given a press statement in the month of September that from Sam County we will be organizing an under-15 football tournament, and we urge upon all the students to give a good preparation for your final term exams. You have exactly 2 months and a half since since September itself. We have September, we have the month of October, and half of the month of November to prepare for your exams. And we hope that all of you will clear your exams with colorful results, with fruitful results. And when you come for the under-15 football tournament, we want to see those marks displayed on your mark sheets. We want you to submit that report card. So with all these words of encouragement, I would like to thank again the school, the Pynthor-Umkhrah Presbyterian School, for inviting me as your chief guest. And with these few words, I would like to end my speech.
And third, Bakma from Red House.